Hi, I'm Darren Starwynn. I'm speaking about the community lecture coming up on Thursday, September 11th with Healthy Seminars that's called Shamanic and Quantum Healing for Acupuncturists. This is going to be an experiential and live meditation experience, introducing a system for integrating shamanic healing with the art of acupuncture and energetic medicine. Now, shamans are those who dedicate themselves to attuning themselves with the powers and the energies of nature and the spirit world, and cultivating their own higher sense perception. And as you do these types of methods in your practice, these centers do awaken in you. Now, quantum healing is tapping into universal laws of energy that often appear to be magical or miraculous, but they are based on a form of science. Now, working with these includes the willingness to explore both the light and the shadow aspects of your own being. When you're willing to do that, this allows you to more confidently serve clients who come to you with the really challenging issues, pains, and diseases that so many people are dealing with now. Now, in this lecture, I'll talk about my own long, strange trip that took me into exploration of these methods, and share some simple ways you can start integrating shamanic and quantum healing into your healing practice now. Here's a few of the things that I'll be covering in the community lecture. A rapid ritual for creating sacred space prior to each client's session that takes you out of the consciousness of time and into infinity. Grounding yourself to the healing energies of the earth, which is such a major part of this. Also, how you understand the radiant energy field of you and your clients, and how you can clear the root causes of pain and disease through the chakra system that clears these imprints in this radiant field. I'm also going to talk about how to create deeper and more transformational results with your patients, especially those with challenging, very difficult to treat disorders. Those seem to be the ones that always come to me, so I've really had to learn that. You're also going to understand the 4 levels of healing and your hero's journey through the medicine wheel, which is really profound information, and discover the shaman way to stay safe and protect yourself from dark energy influences. Again, this lecture takes place on Thursday, September 11th from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Pacific Time, 3:30 to 4:30 Eastern Time. Pre-register on Healthy Seminars website. I look forward to sharing this with you. And these energies are really profound, and they do come through Zoom.